Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have my very dear friend Apurva here with me and I'm going to be doing her birthday makeup. Are you excited?
Very.
So if you guys want to know how I glammed this doll up, then continue watching. Just prepping her for the makeup. I'm going to start off by moisturizing her skin, which is really good. By the way, I'm going to show you a close-up of her skin without makeup. It's so good. Like, I'm wearing full base and she isn't, and her skin looks pretty good. So that's amazing. I'm going to be using my Clinique Moisture Surge face spray just to like sort of give her some moisture. Close your eyes. I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray on her face now just to give her some priming. I'm going to be using a primer as well later, but let's just begin with this. Amazing. Now we are going to go in with the primer. Next up, we have to obviously prime her skin. So I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Yay! Do you need more moisturizer or are you good?
I think it's fine.
Or do you?
My skin gets a little oily.
Gets oily?
Later, yeah.
Okay, so then we will, I think, skip that and let me just apply. Can you hold this? And now I'm just going to be applying some primer specifically on the T-zone because that's where you need more pore minimization. Wow, that sounds like a technical term. Pore minimization. I was just like smelling my hands to make sure I don't smell of khichdi. They don't, right?
No.
Okay. Usually makeup artists always have chewing gum and like they have nicely smelling hands so that the person who they're doing their makeup for doesn't get grossed out. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade NW30. It's slightly darker for me and I'm hoping that fits Apurva's requirement for concealer because she's like maybe one tone deeper than I am.
Just tell me what I need to do.
I'm just going to be blending that in with my Real Techniques foundation brush. I think this is perfect for her complexion. Look up. Open your eyes and look up. Sorry. I'm not a professional makeup artist. So she just has little bit redness here and there and halka fulka discoloration, but look, her face is already looking pretty even. And now we're gonna go in with just a dab of foundation. So I'm using my Sugar Cosmetics foundation called Ace of Face Foundation Stick in the shade 10 Latte. I think this should fit her skin tone as well. So we'll just do like a little bit of a test. I feel like it is good for you, right? Yep. I'm not even taking too much on the rest of her face because she doesn't need it, and I want to keep her face light, not too much product. I think we are pretty much done with our base. For the foundation to set into her face a lot more better because she's someone who doesn't use makeup a lot, so for her to wear so much makeup all of a sudden might look too much. So I'm gonna set this with the Smashbox Photo Finish setting spray so it all gets like feels like skin and does look like foundation. Okay, you can fan yourself out. I'm taking the Sugar translucent setting powder to set her face, and I'm actually going to use this cute little sponge they provide with it. Eye area, close your eyes.
Okay.
The nose, which tends to get a little shiny, and there you go. I think the base is looking good. So since her dress is purple, I'm going to be using primarily the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, which is the most perfect purple palette you could ask for. I actually want her eyes to be monochromatic this time because I did her makeup I think 2 years ago and I did like a smoky eye. So this time I'm going to do like a nice iridescent monochrome look, not too much, you know, like sounds different also. Okay, so we're gonna use this color right here all over her eyelid and then we're just blending it out. So I'm gonna directly apply this beautiful color. You don't need to do much with this color because it's so like multi-dimensional, and directly pack it onto her entire lid.
Wow,
Now-
this is really good.
I'm going to blend this out. Take a darker tone here, this dark tone, very little, and we'll just put it on the outer corners of her eye to create like a little bit of a smoky effect, but not like full blown smoky. And we'll take a little bit of that on her lower lid. With a fine tip brush, what we're gonna do is just put sorry, we're gonna just illuminate the inner corners of her eyes. The lightest shade in the palette. The entire eye is different shades of purple. I'm also gonna take the same color and pack it on here on the brow bone. So I'm gonna do a very thin grey eyeliner because I don't want to do too much, and black can look a little jarring. So we can just do this. And while her eyes are closed, we are also going to do mascara. I'm going to be using my K-Beauty mascara. This is in the shade Midnight. This is what it looks like.
My eyes for the mascara?
Just this much. Look here.
Okay.
Okay.
It's too much.
It isn't easy. Makeup is for the brave.
Yeah.
You have to be very careful while doing somebody else's mascara because खुद का करना तो आता है.
Looks good.
And now we're gonna do the other eye. And there you go. Both the eyes are done. You can close your eyes to let everyone see how they look. Beautiful iridescent purple. And now I'm just gonna do her brows. And I'm gonna set her brows in place and give her that feathery brow look using the Clear Brow Gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Just brushing her brows upwards. Contouring! It's time to contour the face and give her some cuts. So let's do that. I'm gonna be using the Sugar Cosmetics Face Forward Contour Stick for her face. Firstly, we go in with the nose. It's a very intense contour, so
Wow. Art.
so blend it upwards. For finishing touches, to give her an even sharper contour, I'm gonna set the contour with this powder. This is from L'Oreal. While she bakes, I'm gonna mix these two blushes from the Maybelline Master Blush Studio palette. Smile. I'm gonna give her a more of a contoured blush so that her cheeks still look defined. And we are ready for our last two steps, which is highlighter and lipstick. We had just taken a small little break because our camera ran out of battery, and by now Apurva's makeup has nicely settled into the skin. You wanna just go ahead and show them? It's looking so flawless. Turn to the side. Ooh, the contour is on point. And now we're gonna give her some final touches, which is lipstick and highlighter. And I'm gonna first start with some L'Occitane lip balm on her lips, just to hydrate. And next, I'm going to be using Max Meher on her lips. It's a very beautiful nude pink and probably the perfect color for any and every occasion. And we don't want to do too much on the lip because her eyes are already like glistening. So we want to keep the lips matte. So I overlined a little on her lips, but actually didn't overline, just went over the natural lip line of hers, which looks amazing. Alright guys, so of course she's the birthday girl, so she has to glow. And I'm going to be using Nykaa Shimmer Brick in the shade Want It All to finish things up and give her like a nice pop of highlighter. Cupid's bow, chin. So that's it guys, that's the final look. How do you like it?
Really like it. It looks so good. Just what I wanted.
Do you love it? Do you really love it?
I really love it. It goes so well with the dress.
Yay! So that's it guys. That's the beautiful birthday girl. Do you like it, Apu?
Really like it.
Yay!
It looks good.
And you look beautiful. You look stunning.
Thank you.
Yay! Alright, thanks guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you so much for tuning into this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to
Share. Comment.
subscribe, like, comment and share this video.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Ciao.